Qualys VMDR Online Training. Introduction to Qualys VMDR. Qualys VMDR, Vulnerability Management, Detection, and Response, is an all-in-one platform designed to provide organizations with a comprehensive approach to managing and mitigating vulnerabilities, detecting threats, and automating response processes. It integrates key security functions, vulnerability management, asset discovery, threat detection, and automated response into a single unified solution, making it easier for security teams to protect their environments. Key features of Qualys VMDR: Asset discovery and inventory. VMDR continuously scans and discovers all devices, applications, and other IT assets across an organization, both on-premises and in the cloud. It maintains an up-to-date, centralized inventory of all assets to ensure complete visibility into the network. Vulnerability management. Once assets are discovered, VMDR assesses them for vulnerabilities. This includes known vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and security risks. It provides real-time vulnerability scanning and reporting, with a risk-based approach to prioritize the most critical vulnerabilities that require attention. Threat detection. VMDR goes beyond vulnerability detection by identifying active threats and exploits in real time. It integrates threat intelligence to help correlate vulnerabilities with known exploits, improving the ability to detect and prioritize critical threats. Patch management. After identifying vulnerabilities, VMDR can automatically recommend and deploy patches for affected assets. It enables automated patching workflows, reducing the manual effort involved in keeping systems updated and secure. Response and remediation. VMDR allows for automated or manual response actions to mitigate risks. This includes patching, applying workarounds, and isolating compromised systems. The platform integrates with various IT service management (ITSM) tools to streamline the remediation process. Prioritization of risks. The platform uses machine learning and threat intelligence to prioritize vulnerabilities based on factors like exploitability, asset importance, and exposure to active threats. Security teams can focus on addressing the highest risks that pose the greatest threat to their organization. Cloud and on-premises coverage. Qualys VMDR supports hybrid environments by covering both cloud-based and on-premises assets. It provides visibility and protection across virtual machines, containers, and cloud environments. Compliance and reporting. VMDR generates compliance reports to meet regulatory requirements such as PCI DSS, HIPAA, and GDPR. It provides customizable dashboards and reports for various stakeholders to monitor security posture. Benefits of Qualys VMDR. Simplified security operations by integrating asset discovery, vulnerability management, and patching into one tool. Qualys VMDR simplifies security workflows and reduces the complexity of managing multiple solutions. Core features and benefits of Qualys VMDR. Qualys VMDR, Vulnerability Management, Detection, and Response, is an integrated solution designed to streamline and enhance cybersecurity efforts by providing comprehensive visibility, detection, and response capabilities. Here are its core features and benefits. Core features. Asset discovery and inventory. Continuous monitoring automatically discovers and categorizes all assets in your environment, including on-premise, cloud, and remote devices. Unified Asset View. Centralized inventory of all hardware and software assets, categorized by operating system, installed software, and vulnerabilities. Vulnerability management. Automated vulnerability scanning conducts thorough, scheduled scans to identify vulnerabilities across assets. Real-time vulnerability detection leverages agents or cloud-based scanning to detect vulnerabilities in real time. Comprehensive threat intelligence provides contextual data on vulnerabilities, including CVSS scores and exploit availability. Threat prioritization. Contextual risk prioritization uses machine learning and contextual analysis, asset criticality, exposure to threats, exploitability, to prioritize vulnerabilities. Dynamic risk scoring assigns a dynamic risk score based on real-time threat data, helping prioritize remediation efforts. Patch management. Automated patch deployment integrates with patch management solutions for seamless patching of vulnerable systems. Patch validation ensures successful patching by validating fixes post-deployment. Remediation tracking. Unified remediation workflows provides detailed steps and recommendations for remediating identified vulnerabilities. Integration with ITSM tools supports integration with ServiceNow, Jira, and other ITSM tools to track and manage remediation tasks. Endpoint detection and response, EDR. Real-time threat detection includes endpoint detection capabilities for identifying and responding to threats at the endpoint level. Automated response orchestrates response actions such as isolating compromised devices or deploying patches. Cloud and container security. Cloud asset monitoring extends visibility into cloud environments and containerized applications. Vulnerability detection for containers scans container images for vulnerabilities and security misconfigurations. Custom dashboards and reporting. Interactive dashboards provides visual insights into vulnerabilities, asset inventory, and remediation progress with customizable dashboards. Compliance and audit reports generates compliance reports for regulatory requirements like PCI DSS, GDPR, and HIPAA. Key benefits. End-to-end vulnerability lifecycle management. VMDR consolidates the entire vulnerability management lifecycle from discovery to remediation within one platform, reducing complexity and improving operational efficiency. Improved security posture. The combination of real-time vulnerability detection, contextual prioritization, and automated remediation reduces attack surfaces and helps organizations stay ahead of threats. How Qualys VMDR integrates with your security infrastructure. Qualys VMDR, vulnerability management, detection, and response, integrates seamlessly with an organization's security infrastructure by providing comprehensive capabilities to manage vulnerabilities, detect threats, and respond to security risks. Here's an expanded view of how VMDR integrates into your security infrastructure. 1. Asset discovery and inventory integration. Continuous monitoring of assets Qualys VMDR automatically discovers and maps all assets across your infrastructure, including on-premise, cloud, containers, mobile, and remote devices. This integration helps ensure that all assets are monitored in real time, giving visibility to shadow IT and unmanaged devices. Integration with CMDBs. Qualys VMDR integrates with configuration management databases, CMDB, like ServiceNow, ensuring asset inventory remains up to date and synchronized with your IT management systems. 2. Vulnerability Management Integration. Automated vulnerability scanning. VMDR integrates with your existing network and endpoints to perform continuous vulnerability assessments, identifying weak spots in your system in real time. This helps with maintaining compliance with internal and external security policies. Integration with CM tools. The results from vulnerability scans can be fed into Security Information and Event Management (CM) solutions like Splunk, IBM QRadar, and LogRhythm, enabling better threat correlation, logging, and monitoring across the infrastructure. 3. Threat Detection. Threat Intelligence Feeds. VMDR integrates with threat intelligence platforms to deliver contextual threat information based on the vulnerabilities detected, enabling security teams to prioritize patching based on active threats. Endpoint Detection and Response (EDR) integration. Qualys VMDR works with EDR tools to provide a holistic view of vulnerability and endpoint threat status, allowing security teams to monitor and address vulnerabilities associated with endpoint security risks in real time. 4. Patch Management Integration. Patch deployment across systems. VMDR not only identifies vulnerabilities but also integrates with patch management systems such as Microsoft WSUS, Red Hat Satellite, and third-party solutions to streamline patching of critical vulnerabilities. It automates the patch process across operating systems, reducing manual work. Automation platforms. VMDR integrates with tools like Ansible, Chef, and Puppet to automatically deploy patches based on vulnerability scans, ensuring a faster and more reliable response to threats. 5. Security Orchestration, Automation, and Response (SOAR) integration. Automated response to incidents. By integrating with SOAR platforms like Palo Alto Cortex XSOAR and IBM Resilient, Qualys VMDR can trigger automated incident responses based on specific vulnerability detections. For example, if a critical vulnerability is detected, SOAR can quarantine affected systems or initiate automated patching processes. Incident Management. Integration with incident response platforms allows VMDR data to be linked with tickets or workflows in security operations, ensuring a rapid response to security incidents based on detected vulnerabilities. 6. Compliance and Governance Integration. Audit and compliance tools. VMDR integrates with governance, risk, and compliance (GRC) tools like RSA Archer and MetricStream to ensure vulnerability management is part of a broader compliance strategy. It helps with audit reporting and ensures adherence to regulatory frameworks like PCI DSS, HIPAA, and GDPR. Real-time reporting dashboards. It provides centralized dashboards that give security teams and auditors visibility into vulnerability and patch status, which can be further integrated into business intelligence tools for comprehensive security reporting. Automated asset discovery and inventory in Qualys VMDR. Automated asset discovery and inventory in Qualys VMDR, vulnerability management detection and response, is a key feature that helps organizations maintain an up-to-date inventory of their IT environment. It provides real-time visibility into assets across on-premises, cloud, and hybrid environments. Here's an expanded view of how this works and its benefits. 1. Automated asset discovery. Comprehensive coverage. Qualys VMDR automatically discovers all IT assets, including endpoints, servers, cloud instances, network devices, containers, and mobile devices. This ensures no assets are missed, helping organizations maintain a complete inventory. Agent-based and agentless scanning. It uses a combination of agent-based sensors and network-based scanning to detect assets. The lightweight Qualys Cloud Agent can be installed on devices to continuously monitor assets without requiring scheduled scans. Dynamic asset tagging. Assets are automatically categorized and tagged based on rules and criteria such as operating system, software, and location, enabling quick identification of asset types and risk levels. 2. Asset inventory. Real-time updates. Once discovered, assets are automatically added to the inventory and continuously monitored. Any changes to hardware, software, or configuration are updated in real time, ensuring accurate visibility into the IT landscape. Software inventory. Qualys VMDR provides detailed insights into installed software and versions across all assets, enabling organizations to track and manage software usage and licensing compliance. Cloud and hybrid environments. For organizations with cloud environments, VMDR integrates with major cloud platforms, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, to discover and track cloud instances, containers, and related infrastructure. 3. Vulnerability contextualization. Risk assessment. VMDR combines asset inventory with vulnerability data to prioritize vulnerabilities based on business risk. This helps organizations focus on the most critical assets that pose the highest risk to security. Configuration management. It detects misconfigurations in assets and provides recommendations for remediation, contributing to better security posture. 4. Integration and automation. API integration. VMDR can integrate with other IT and security tools, CM, ITSM, and orchestration tools via APIs, enabling organizations to automate workflows and enhance their security operations. Automated remediation. Based on the risk profile, VMDR suggests patch management and remediation tasks, which can be automated to reduce the time between vulnerability detection and remediation. 5. Compliance and reporting. Compliance monitoring. It helps maintain compliance with various regulatory standards by ensuring all assets are accounted for and continuously monitored. VMDR supports frameworks like PCI DSS, HIPAA, and NIST. Custom reporting. VMDR allows security teams to generate custom reports that provide insights into asset health, vulnerability status, and compliance levels, aiding decision-making and audits. Key benefits. Real-time asset management. Continuous discovery and inventory updates ensure accurate and real-time visibility into the entire IT infrastructure. Vulnerability scanning and prioritization in Qualys VMDR. Qualys VMDR, Vulnerability Management, Detection, and Response, provides an integrated solution for vulnerability scanning, detection, prioritization, and remediation. It combines continuous asset discovery with automated vulnerability assessments, making it a robust tool for proactive vulnerability management. Here's an expanded look at its key aspects. 1. Vulnerability scanning. Comprehensive asset discovery. Qualys VMDR starts with identifying and cataloging all assets, example, devices, applications, databases, across hybrid environments. This provides visibility into both managed and unmanaged assets. Continuous and scheduled scanning. It performs automated, real-time scanning of assets, uncovering potential vulnerabilities such as outdated software, missing patches, configuration errors, or misconfigurations. Authenticated and unauthenticated scans. Qualys VMDR supports both scan types. Authenticated scans provide deeper insights into system configurations, while unauthenticated scans assess surface-level exposures. Cloud and on-prem scanning. The platform supports scanning across cloud, on-prem, and container environments to ensure full coverage. 2. Vulnerability detection. Real-time threat intelligence. VMDR integrates with threat intelligence feeds to ensure that vulnerabilities are identified in real time, correlating the latest threats and exploits to known vulnerabilities. Vulnerability research and insights. Qualys uses its global research team to provide detailed insights into each detected vulnerability, including descriptions, severity levels, CVSS score, and potential exploits. Coverage for known and emerging vulnerabilities. VMDR detects vulnerabilities based on published common vulnerabilities and exposures, CVEs, vendor security advisories, and other emerging threats. Zero-day vulnerability detection. It helps in identifying vulnerabilities in the wild before they are disclosed by vendors or security communities. 3. Prioritization of vulnerabilities. Context-aware risk prioritization. Qualys VMDR combines factors such as the CVSS score, asset criticality, exploitability, and the presence of active threats to rank vulnerabilities by risk. This enables focusing on vulnerabilities that pose the most significant threat to the business. Threat indicators and exploitability. VMDR leverages threat intelligence to check if a vulnerability has known exploits, example malware, ransomware, whether it is actively being used in the wild, and how easily it can be exploited. Business impact. The platform also takes into account the importance of the affected assets within the organization's environment, helping prioritize remediation efforts based on business criticality. 4. Remediation and mitigation. Automated patch deployment. Qualys VMDR integrates with patch management tools, enabling automatic patching of vulnerabilities. It can schedule patches based on risk levels and deployment windows. Detailed remediation guidance. VMDR provides step-by-step remediation guidance, including configuration changes, software updates, or other measures to mitigate vulnerabilities. Orchestration of remediation. The platform can work with ticketing systems like ServiceNow, automating the assignment of remediation tasks to the appropriate teams based on vulnerability severity and asset importance. Patch management capabilities in Qualys VMDR. Patch management capabilities in Qualys VMDR, vulnerability management detection and response, offer an integrated approach to managing vulnerabilities by streamlining the process from detection to remediation. Here's an expanded view of its key features. 1. Vulnerability detection and prioritization. Comprehensive scanning. Qualys VMDR continuously scans your environment for vulnerabilities across a wide range of assets, on-premises, cloud, endpoints, mobile, and containers. Contextual prioritization. It uses machine learning and advanced risk assessment to prioritize vulnerabilities based on factors like CVSS score, real-time threat intelligence, and the asset's criticality. This helps focus efforts on the most impactful issues. 2. Automated patch detection. Automatic patch mapping. VMDR correlates detected vulnerabilities with available patches from vendors, reducing manual effort. It provides a list of patches relevant to your environment, helping you quickly identify what's needed to mitigate vulnerabilities. Patch Catalog maintains an extensive, regularly updated patch repository for popular OS platforms, applications, and third-party software, providing users with the latest remediation options. 3. Integrated patch deployment. Patch deployment automation. Qualys VMDR includes native patch deployment capabilities. It allows users to deploy patches directly from the platform, removing the need for separate tools. Administrators can automate the entire patching workflow or schedule patches according to maintenance windows. Granular Control offers control over patching processes, including scheduling, testing, and rollback options, allowing IT teams to manage patch deployments without disrupting critical business processes. 4. Zero-touch patch remediation. Automated remediation workflows. Once vulnerabilities are identified and prioritized, VMDR can automatically remediate vulnerabilities by deploying patches without manual intervention, ensuring timely fixes. Third-party integration. Qualys VMDR supports integration with existing ITSM tools like ServiceNow, enabling workflows to trigger remediation actions such as patching via external systems. 5. Patch reporting and compliance. Real-time patch status provides real-time visibility into patching status across the organization, ensuring that the entire environment is compliant with security policies. Compliance tracking helps meet compliance requirements, example PCI DSS, HIPAA, by generating reports that demonstrate patch levels across all assets. 6. Remediation prioritization and risk reduction. Risk-based approach. VMDR combines vulnerability risk scoring with patch deployment capabilities, allowing security teams to focus on the vulnerabilities posing the highest risk to their network. Insights into unpatched systems delivers actionable intelligence on systems that remain unpatched and require further attention. 7. Ease of use and scalability. Cloud-based solution. As a cloud-native solution, Qualys VMDR can be deployed rapidly across a global infrastructure without the need for on-premise resources. Scalability. Its patch management capabilities scale across large enterprises, supporting a wide range of asset types and environments, including hybrid and multi-cloud setups. Detection and response capabilities in Qualys VMDR. Qualys VMDR, Vulnerability Management, Detection, and Response offers a comprehensive approach to identifying, prioritizing, and addressing security threats across an organization's digital assets. Below is a detailed expansion of the detection and response capabilities within Qualys VMDR. 1. Vulnerability Detection. Continuous Scanning. VMDR continuously scans IT environments, including cloud, on-premises, and hybrid networks, for vulnerabilities across various endpoints, servers, databases, and applications. Automated Asset Discovery. It detects and catalogs every IT asset across an environment, including hardware, software, and cloud instances. This helps maintain an up-to-date inventory, ensuring no vulnerabilities are missed. Vulnerability Prioritization. Qualys VMDR uses machine learning and context-aware insights to prioritize vulnerabilities based on factors like exploitability, criticality, and threat intelligence feeds. Risk-based scoring. Each vulnerability is scored based on its potential business impact, helping security teams focus on the highest risk issues. 2. Threat Detection. Real-time threat indicators. VMDR correlates vulnerability data with real-time threat indicators from global threat intelligence sources, giving insight into emerging threats and how they may impact your environment. Exploit Detection. The system identifies whether a vulnerability is being actively exploited in the wild, providing immediate alerts on active threats. Patch Detection. VMDR continuously monitors for available patches and provides information on missing patches that could mitigate detected vulnerabilities. Endpoint Detection. By continuously monitoring endpoints and configurations, VMDR can detect misconfigurations and other issues that could lead to an attack vector. 3. Automated Response. Patch Deployment. VMDR includes automated patching capabilities to quickly apply fixes to vulnerabilities, reducing the time to response significantly. Workflow Integration. It integrates with common ITSM platforms like ServiceNow, Jira, or custom workflows to automate the remediation process by generating tickets for IT teams. Remediation Prioritization. VMDR uses data from the Qualys Threat Protection Service to automatically recommend actions, allowing security teams to focus on fixing vulnerabilities that present the greatest immediate threat. Configuration Remediation. Along with patching vulnerabilities, VMDR can detect and fix security misconfigurations across operating systems, applications, and network devices. 4. Response Orchestration. Collaboration with SOAR, Security Orchestration, Automation, and Response. VMDR integrates with SOAR platforms to orchestrate a fully automated incident response, improving overall speed and efficiency in responding to security events. Custom Response Playbooks. VMDR allows the creation of custom response workflows tailored to specific organizational requirements, enabling tailored and repeatable remediation steps. Automated Threat Containment. Integration with firewall and endpoint security systems can automatically quarantine or isolate compromised systems. 5. Context-aware insights for response. Attack Surface Visualization. VMDR provides an overall view of the attack surface, correlating vulnerabilities with business criticality, exploitability, and network exposure, allowing for more informed response decisions. Real-time threat indicators. it brings real-time data on actively exploited vulnerabilities, zero-day vulnerabilities, ransomware, and cross-references them with an organization's vulnerability data to provide actionable insights. Why choose ProExcellency for Qualys VMDR online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Qualys VMDR, vulnerability management, detection, and response, online training offers several advantages, particularly for individuals and organizations seeking expertise in vulnerability management and security. Here are some key reasons why you might consider ProExcellency for this training. Comprehensive curriculum. ProExcellency offers a detailed and structured course that covers all aspects of Qualys VMDR, from basic concepts to advanced functionalities. It includes vulnerability management, threat detection, risk assessment, and compliance. Experienced instructors. ProExcellency employs industry-experienced instructors who have extensive hands-on knowledge in cybersecurity and Qualys VMDR. This ensures that learners gain practical insights and real-world application skills. Hands-on training. The training provided includes live projects, simulations, and practical labs, giving participants the opportunity to work on real-world scenarios. This hands-on approach helps in understanding how to use Qualys VMDR effectively. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency offers flexibility with self-paced learning, live online sessions, and recorded content, catering to the diverse learning preferences and schedules of students and professionals. Certification guidance. The training also prepares participants for Qualys VMDR certification, which is highly regarded in the industry. ProExcellency provides guidance on exam preparation, practice tests, and tips for passing the certification. Post-training support. ProExcellency provides continued support after the training with access to resources, Q&A sessions, and mentoring, which helps participants implement their knowledge in real-world scenarios. Affordable pricing. The courses are competitively priced, offering value for money given the in-depth content and industry expertise provided. Industry-relevant knowledge. The course is designed to stay current with the latest trends and practices in vulnerability management and cybersecurity, ensuring that learners gain skills that are directly applicable in today's security landscape. Thank you.